Hey y'all, it's your girl Courtney Marie and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Happy fall, happy fall. Today I am in the fall spirit. So let me tell y'all what's on the agenda today. So first on the agenda, I'm going to the grocery store. I want to make chicken and rice soup. So I'm gonna go get the ingredients and everything to make that because I really want to make it. I want to try it and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna do that. I want to make cinnamon rolls as well because why not? And yeah, that's really it. I mean, I got to go get like some makeup wipes and just some other things, but really that's pretty much it. So let me blow out my candle. Y'all, it smells like pumpkin spice in here. Okay y'all, so I made it to the grocery store. I'm just about to make a list of everything that I need so I won't have to just go in there and figure out what I need. I can just, you know what I mean? I'm a list type of girl. Okay y'all, I am back at home from the store. I got everything that was on my list. I even got stuff that wasn't on my list. You know how that go. So y'all, I got some vitamin water. I used to drink this all the time when I was like younger, so I hope it still tastes the same. I got 3 different kinds. I'm probably gonna eat me some boiled peanuts right now, put on my stomach while before I cook because I didn't eat nothing all day. I got my cinnamon rolls. These are the this is the grands, the Cinnabon kind. So this is the big ones. So I'm gonna make those tonight. I got all my veggies, the celery for the soup, bell peppers and onions for the soup. These were not on my list, but your girl had to just grab them. Pork skins. That's how you can tell I'm country and I'm from the South, baby. We eat pork skins around these parts. It was buy one get one free, so your girl got 2 bags. What else I got? Okay, this is the chicken broth for the soup. So the video that I looked at, they used yellow rice, so I'm gonna she used the saffron yellow rice. So I'm gonna use the rice that she used. Oh yes, my Welch's juice with fiber. Oh my gosh. A cup of this a day does wonders. And I need me a cup about right now. I got me some Red Bull because I don't be having energy nowadays. All I do is bed rot, to be honest with you. So, energy drinks. This might be TMI, but I got some stool softeners. It's life, it's life. Got some candy. Tonight, me and my man, we might watch a scary movie, so snacks is on deck. We got snacks on deck for movie night. Oh, got my makeup remover wipes that I said that I needed. I also got this cinnamon twist. I don't know how to say this name. Brioche. I don't know if I said it right, but cinnamon twist brioche loaf is. I want to make like some French toast or something in the morning. So I got this and it has cinnamon in it. So it should be good. Some cinnamon French toast. That should be really good. I got the chicken thighs for the soup. I got some strawberries. Try to get like a lot of fruit because when I'm craving, like, I don't know why, but I'll be craving sugar, and instead of sugar I need to be eating fruit. Like, if I got a sweet tooth, let me just eat some fruit. Got the carrots for the soup. And I got a whole fruit tray. I got a whole fruit tray, y'all. So I think that's all that I got. Yep. Now I'm about to try to put something on my stomach. So probably eat some boiled peanuts, maybe some strawberries, and then I'm gonna start cutting up stuff for the soup. So okay, y'all, I'm eating my boiled peanuts because your girl is hungry. I grew up on these. My mama and my daddy, we used to always go to the flea market, get some boiled peanuts, watermelon. Like I say, I'm in the South. Country girl. Okay, y'all, so I just got done pretty much cleaning out the refrigerator, cleaning out the kitchen, some cabinets. Like, your girl been busy, your girl been working. So now I'm about to start on this chicken and rice soup. So I got my bell pepper here that I'm gonna cut, and this bell pepper growing a baby. But yes, I'm gonna start cutting this bell pepper up. I got my onion that I'm gonna cut up as well, and my celery. So I will be back when I'm done cutting them up. Okay, y'all, everything is cut up. I got my onions, my bell pepper, my celery, and my carrots. So I'm using the seasonings that I usually use: my buttery steakhouse, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, garlic, slap your mama. I'm gonna use a little bit of Tony's because I don't want it spicy, and garlic butter. Okay, y'all, so chicken is seasoned. I'm about to throw them in the air fryer, and I threw my veggies in the pot so they can cook down a little bit. So once the chicken is done, I'm gonna cut them up and I'll be back. So yeah, here are my veggies in the pot so they can cook down. And yes, I use a lot. It is a lot, but that should make it way better. I'm gonna use a lot of rice and a lot of chicken broth. So my vegetables are pretty much cooked down. I add a tablespoon of minced garlic. So now I'm about to add my chicken broth. The recipe that I'm following, she used 6 cups of chicken broth. So that is this whole container because this is 6 cups. So we're gonna have a lot of soup to eat for days. Okay, y'all, update. Update is everything's going pretty well. I seasoned the mixture as well per the video, and she added a can of cream of chicken, so I'm gonna add that in the pot as well. And yeah, she said let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. My chicken is still cooking in the air fryer. I think I'm gonna cook about 4, maybe 4 or 5 chicken thighs, and yeah, then we should be able to eat. So this is how everything is looking so far. I just added the cream of chicken in, and then the rice of course still has to cook. So I'm gonna just put the lid on this, let it cook, and we'll be back. Okay, y'all, so while that's on the stove, I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm about to hop in the shower and take this makeup off my face because it is about time for bed. Pretty, like, I need to be comfortable. I've been up all day, moving around all day. I'm proud of myself. So now, about to relax, wash up, and I'll see y'all when I'm out the shower.
Yeah. Okay.
Thought I did that chopper like I see you, boy.
Look, me versus you and you know they picking. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's 10.
We're back on track because my skin was definitely dry and peeling on my forehead this morning. So I need to get back in the groove of doing my skincare routines. But your girl be lazy. Your girl be lazy, your girl be tired. I don't be feeling like doing all that sometimes, but I need to. It's necessary. Y'all, this is my plate. So like, it was a bit soupier, however the rice kept absorbing, of course, the chicken broth and everything. But I can't wait to taste it. It looks really good. Y'all get to see my first reaction. I should have got a spoon, but man, I did my thing. This is delish. Okay. This is really good. I ain't gonna lie. Really good for like a cold day. You just want to sit in the house, watch football, eat soup. This is really good. I rate this a 10 out of 10, y'all. This is really good. Really good. I done got seconds because this junk is good. Your girl done got seconds. Not gonna cook cinnamon rolls. Really don't feel like it. I've been up all day, moving all day. Your girl is tired. And then I have to be up early in the morning tomorrow. So after I eat, I'll probably lay down and watch some Law and Order Special Victims and call it a night. But yeah, y'all, this food was a 10 out of 10. I feel like I cook a lot when I vlog. I don't know why. I just like to cook, y'all. So it is what it is. I know every time I vlog I cook, but I just like to cook. I like to cook. I like to try new recipes. That was actually on my card for this year, is to learn new recipes. So I can mark that off my list because I definitely did that. All right, y'all. I'm watching football. But I'm about to eat my soup. I got me a glass of Welch juice. And yeah, I'm gonna just relax. I don't know if I'm gonna come back on this camera, but if I don't, it's your girl Courtney Marie. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And I will see y'all on my next video.